How to browse and install Claude Skills. Open Claude and sign into your account. Click Customize in the sidebar. Select Skills. Click Browse to open the Skills directory. From here, browse through the available skills. You can open any skill to see what it does before installing it. Once you find a skill you want, click the plus or install button next to it. The skill will now be added to your skills library. That's it. You have successfully browsed and installed a Claude skill.